Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you all my fidgets, like my pop tubes, mini version though, and other things. So don't forget to hit those post notifications, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe. So yeah, let's get into this video. So yes, I have 5 pop tubes. I just got all of these today. My first fidgets ever. 5 pop tubes. I'll show you. Here are all my pop tubes. Mini versions though, they're not the big versions. 1 pea popper. 3 marble mesh. And 2 of these, gold and silver. And 1 clicker. I don't even know if it's called a clicker. It might not even be called. So feel free to correct me, of course. It's not even me. Yeah, so clicker. So those are all the fidgets I just got today. My first fidgets ever. So I'm really happy that I got them. So I'll see you guys later. First, I wish. Ooh, I love pop tubes. I've seen these all over. And then, wait for it. Oh, my long nails. I will see you guys later.